I'm going to teach you how to write hiring ads and job descriptions in minutes without typing a single thing. This, my friend, is the power of AI. And in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through using my 3 favorite AI tools that are 100% free to get your company organized with all of your job descriptions and incredible hiring ads written without getting analysis paralysis or sitting down at the computer feeling like you have no idea where to start and it feels like dreadful pulling teeth. I know, I've been there. I can't wait to share this video with you. So thanks for being here with me. My name is Bensman, and over the last year, I've reinvented the style of content that I'm creating for the roofing industry. And that's because the people I work with and the people that are great to work with me are people that like to challenge the status quo, solve complex problems in their business, and then find better ways to grow their company, especially in today's really fast-changing, unpredictable times. And we do that together inside RSRA. So I want to share one of my favorite learnings with you right now. We're going to jump in and do this quick tutorial video so you can get your hiring ads up and going, especially for those more high-stakes roles when you start talking about hiring like sales managers or general managers or production managers. So without further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, first of our tools is Otter. Otter is a transcription tool, and it's going to be a little interesting because we're going to use it in a non-traditional way. I opened up otter.ai and I started a new recording, and all I'm going to do now is just air off my chest, like what am I looking for? And anyone can do this, especially owners and managers. We're really good at just talking and thinking out loud. It's much easier than writing. So what I'm going to do is start this recording right now by clicking this button, and then I'm just going to narrate exactly what this role is and what I'm looking for, and here it goes. I am looking to hire a sales manager for my company called RSRA. We are a residential roofing contractor that specializes in an innovative and industry-leading sales process that is tech-enabled, provides estimates virtually instantly, and we offer virtual appointments selling over the phone to make for a very convenient experience for our homeowners. We're one of the only people in our market doing this. And we specialize in selling high-end roofing products like stone-coated steel, standing seam, and Class 4 impact-resistant shingles. I am looking to hire a sales manager to lead our emerging and innovative team. This person is going to need to be incredibly well organized and have a really strong blend of a capability of leading a team by the numbers because metrics matter. They indicate performance. But I also know that humans are complex creatures. So this leader needs to be a compassionate and emotionally intelligent leader that can lead by the numbers, but also understand what might be going on in the individual lives of our sales team. And being able to coach them through not only from a sales performance and work performance level, but through personal roadblocks or obstacles, sometimes even on a spiritual level. The sales manager that I'd like to hire should have service sales experience. So I don't want anyone that came from consumer sales or e-commerce sales. It's very important that it's service driven. This sales manager must have sales leadership experience and be really excited about joining a lean, fast-growing team that's innovating in the marketplace. Our company culture is unique because we are a roofing company, but we're truly a personal development company that just so happens to sell roofing. At the core of it, we're a marketing-driven organization, but our success is because we are incredible at installing roofing and creating an out-of-this-world customer experience. The sales manager that I'm looking to hire is someone who should truly love people and be a natural leader that people want to follow. They should be compassionate, high energy, and have an intoxicating and contagious level of enthusiasm and energy that keeps the team motivated and excited to perform at their best. I'm looking to fill this position with just one person, and I know it will be competitive. The compensation plan will start with a $75,000 per year salary and a percentage of sales for the entire team. It's important to note that this sales manager will not be selling. Their compensation will continually grow as the team performance increases. It's also important to note that this sales manager has room for growth within the company and promotional opportunities within. We're looking for a lifer, not someone who just wants a notch on their belt. So if they are sick and tired of working for a company and feeling like just a cog in the wheel or a number, and they want to go somewhere where they can make a difference and have true autonomy to grow the team and innovate in a fast-paced environment, then this role is for them. All right, and now we stop the recording. And you can see that that was a really simple way to just talk through the details of the conversation, the details of what I'm looking for. So all we do now is we pop over to our transcript, and I am going to do this. Watch this.
To resume it, and
there we go. So I am going to copy paste this right here. And then I'm going to pop over to GenSpark, which is my second favorite tool. And I'm going to paste the transcript here. And I told you we're not going to do any typing. So how do we turn GenSpark, which is our super agent? By the way, GenSpark was recently introduced to me by a gentleman named Mike Koenigs through his program called the AI Accelerator, which is a fantastic program. I actually attended with one of our members of RSRA as well. And with GenSpark, I am going to use voice prompting to tell it what I want it to do. And that's where my third tool comes in, which is WhisperFlow. Now, WhisperFlow is a plugin for your computer or on your phone that allows you to press a key and it will automatically activate your microphone and record you talking for just really quick applications. By the way, I'll use it for email, internal team communications, etc. So here's WhisperFlow, and what you may or may not be able to see is right here at the bottom, the very bottom of my screen, it says click or hold, control and option to start dictating. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start dictating right now, and I'm going to tell GenSpark, using my voice, what I want it to do with this transcript where I'm describing the role of the sales manager that I want to hire. Copied below is a transcript explaining the new role that I'd like to hire for my company, which is a sales manager. Please synthesize the transcript below and write a job description. And then I would like for you to also write a compelling hiring ad that I can run on Indeed that is really personal, emotional, and connects one-on-one with the right candidate who would want to drop everything they're doing and join my team. All right, and again, that was using WhisperFlow, including where I screwed up saying, hey, below's the job description. But I just want you to see how powerful this is. I'm going to hit enter, and now GenSpark is going to produce both of those for me. Give it just a second, and you can see that in just a conversation, starting with Otter AI and dumping it in GenSpark, we now have our job description. About us, the position we're seeking, which is an exceptional sales manager who will lead, inspire, and grow our team. This is not a selling role, including all the key responsibilities here, what we're looking for, the ideal candidate, and the comp structure, company culture, and why they'd want to join us. Then we have our hiring ad. Are you the leader we've been searching for? Stop, read this carefully. This might be the opportunity that changes everything. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm looking for someone special, someone rare, and if that's you, you'll feel it in your gut as you read these words. Here's the truth. I'm building something different in RSRA. While other roofing companies are stuck in the past, we're using drones, virtual selling, and instant online estimates to completely reimagine how this industry works. We're closing high-end metal roofing projects without our reps ever leaving the office, although they can if they want to. But here's what I really need. A leader, not a manager, not a babysitter, a leader. The job isn't for everyone. This role is not for you if this, but this role is for you if you wake up energized. You understand the metrics, but so does the fact that your rep's kid was sick last night. Like, this is personal, what you'll actually be doing. You won't be selling, you'll be building. You'll recruit amazing people, train them, inspire them, navigate the messy, complicated, beautiful reality of leading human beings. Like, this is just gorgeous and personal and stands apart from the rest. Let's talk money. Here's the comp plan. Here's what makes us different. Here's the bottom line. If you're the person, don't wait. Are you ready to change your life? This is the moment you've been waiting for. And then here's the application instructions. And all it took, my friend, was narrating and talking. What do I want done? Pasting the transcript into GenSpark, and then using WhisperFlow to tell it exactly what I want to do. And just like that, now you have a hiring ad and a job description ready to rock. This is the type of thing we do together in RSRA, where we think differently and outside the box. We solve complex problems, and then we find better ways to grow companies in today's fast-changing and unpredictable times. If you want to learn more or join us, click the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.